Unit 3 Baby Bird. One day, Manu and Ammu were playing near their house. Hey, look, a little bird. Manu caged the bird. He kept the cage near the front window. You stay here, dear. Kee, kee, the father bird and the mother bird flew to the cage. It's our little one's cry. The mother bird and the father bird came with their friends. We are here to help you. The birds flew up with the cage. They saw a rat hole near a bush. Our friend rat will help us. They kept the cage near the rat hole. The rat came out from the hole. Please save our baby. Don't worry, I will help you. The rat cut the cage with its sharp teeth. Oh dear, we got you back. The little bird came out of the cage. It flew up. The birds thanked the rat and gave some cherries. Happy reading.